A Place in the Sun presenter Jonnie Irwin, 49, admitted he probably looked crazed as he ran for a train with his suitcase, medical gear and a hot cross bun hanging from the side of his mouth. The Channel 4 star, who revealed his terminal cancer diagnosis at the end of last year, showed he hadn't lost his sense of humor as he shared the anecdote with his 160,000 Instagram followers. "Must have looked a right state crazed and panicked chemo boy dragging a wheeled case with a strange transparent shoulder bag falling down his arm and a hot crossed bun hanging from the side of his mouth attempting to run for the departing train," he wrote. "Thankfully the kind guardsman held the door at the far end," he continued, as he shared a selfie that showed him sitting on the train. "My penance was that my seat was at the opposite end, so I had to walk past all the passengers who had viewed this spectacle," he added with the hashtags #WalkOfShame and #Relief. Jonnie's followers took to the comments section to share their thoughts on the escape to the country presenter's Easter Monday morning dash. "To be fair, I'd call that a power flex, not a walk of shame," Sarah wrote with a flexed bicep emoji. "You're amazing," Joy penned. "If I had been a passenger, I would have looked at you and thought, what a guy. Such an inspiration. Sick, don't miss." Sadie Frost opens up on being married young after Jude Law heartache. News Paul O'Grady's dying wish for funeral shared by friend Amanda Mealing. News Davina McCall pitched midlife version of Love Island to ITV. Insight, "You look fine. Just hang in there, all those folk will have had their own busy thoughts," Virginia commented. While Victoria added, "And hopefully they all gave you a little inward cheer as you walked past #Love and Strength." "Sick, everyone's right there with you mate," Rebecca wrote. "You've so many people rooting for you every day, Jonnie." Sick. Last year, Jonnie bravely revealed his terminal cancer diagnosis, sharing that he doesn't know how long he has left to live. The first warning signs of Jonnie's illness came while he was filming episodes of hit property program A Place in the Sun in August 2020. "Within a week of flying back from filming, I was being given 6 months to live," he told Hello. "At the time, I had to go home and tell my wife, who was looking after our babies, that she was on her own pretty much. That was devastating."